Now let's see how to use this LUT presets. First download this LUTs pack from the description link. Then extract this zip file. Here you can see 10 cross colors LUT presets. Now open Premiere Pro application, then import a footage. Click on Window, select Telemetry Color. In this Telemetry tab, open Creative Panel, then change Look, None to Browse. Now open this Cross Colors folder and select the LUT preset, then open it. That's it. Let's check the before and after. And if you think that it's too much, then decrease the intensity. Let's check another one. Thanks for watching. You can get more, so don't forget to like and subscribe.